A very good evening. This is Abigail bringing to you the news and events in Meghalaya from Don Bosco Media Network. Here are the headlines for today. 12 crore smart city project to implement in Jawai, serving the society in a different way, DBT IBSD. And now the news in detail. After forming the Border Hut Committee, the Rewar Mingi Border Hut Committee today went to meet the Deputy Commissioner for discussion over the issue of reopening the border huts in Port Rusla. According to the committee, from the beginning of the lockdown, people in the area are suffering a lot. Economically, it has really hit them hard. In Port Rusla, there are 4 border huts along the Bangladesh border. These are the Nongjuri Hut run by the Nongjuri Ilaka, the Deer Valley Hut run by the Umyo Tamar Ilaka, the Thamai Hut run by Nongshken, and the Linkhat Hut run by Linkhat. The committee expressed their satisfaction over the discussion after the DC gave them positive response.
Hat Nongshken nanti ini kidiki rat ki bangidon ya ke Border Hut. Dikaji kedu jongi kum ke komiti ngilai kendu mentai EDC. Kalong ke Sultanat namar ba nakaliang EDC ru ila Shimkia ila ong ba hawat kadon sisya ke jingketa habidai bat kayo pakot. Kamtame ya kibriu ki jongi ki badon nanti hapo riwar. Kamtame ki kibriu ki baduk ki ba kup silang san silang ki ba ila bande yo kuai tempau ya kiso badi kiwi kiwi pade ki ba nakaliang jongi yang kiriwar ngi jupenmi ban penya ya kimar kimata santai sapa bangla bat kani gaji kendu ke jongi menta kasni ya IDC ha office terikam ke jongi kalong ga ba mairu isngap bat ikloiru ban ya trailang naka benta ban yo ban pleno ya kani ke Border Hut ke badan nanti ha pot han riwar ke jongi dena kalian ke komiti ngila ajingmut sibun ba ngila ya keren menta kasni ha ka bangila ya kendu ru markhamat badi mairu ilaong ba insa Shimkia insa pha no yakani ka issue sya ga government bat cheki wipat ki department ki badan ha ka sarkar jela khanang banginyo ban pen ma ban yo ban play yakani ka Border Hut hangti ha po riwar ke jongi namar balai ka komiti ngimi syakmat namar ngiyol iba ka sarkar kala play no yakani ki export ban kit ki motion sya po Bangladesh hot ki don kini ki SOP ki protocol ki ba nakalen ko sarkar kabu tengiro akaju kanong rem iwan ban kerpat EDC bat naga government ru ngi kerpat ba kadai ban pleno ya kene ke Border Hut kan bu iki kindon kum ki SOPs bat ki protocol khnang ba ki pai ba jongi hangthe kinyo ban kamai kinyo ban imja namar kalakta shisha ya ka yo kot ki pai ba jongi hangthe ha po thaniwa nadu bal akhang ya kene ke Border Hut na ka jingwan jongi ka thlam coronavirus nakaliang EDC ila kubur ila batai badila keren syai hangi ba insa pha yangi ya ka jingtho maning sala banlum ya ki jingalang denangta nakaliang EDC riong yang salek kloi kat bala ban pen kloi ya kan ka issue ka banakaliang ka komiti ka kerpat ya ka pha ya khnang ba mairo insa yo ya kata ka yo ka kot ka babahana ban taki pai ba nong syong jongi yang tiang po handriwat inomla ban tunar ya kata tiong riong.
After a lot of complaints from the public over the maintenance of the road and after so much of destruction done by the rain in the past few days, people are hoping that the government will do something about this. Speaking to the Executive Engineer PWD Jawai South Division, Mr. B. Nyangti told the media that it is impossible to do anything right now since the road construction and repair had just been done last year, whereas the Dulong College Road and Thomas Jones Road are left unrepaired since then. With the proposal of the Smart City project from the state government, the whole area will be given a new look. It was also told that bituminous concrete, which is used for national highway, with a thickness of approximately 60 mm. The project will be starting from November 2020 with a total cost of 12 crores till March 2021.
Pak Onus Rock become naduk ni di last year the percang ni em giwa repair ni ni ule kam le mencai pi kam ju le kini PR ni kaung PR mot ko le full ni no kat wom dap pesa le ai kini repair pot ni kibun ki benta de deble le no kam kini ka ngayung korupsi to kini Dulong College. Waktu ini ke push Thomas Jude itu memang oleh honus naman dem ke proposal na kalian ng gusti government aku propose kita ke smart city kita wara ko ba de ke Dubai town aku China kita ko kita ke bituminous concrete kita mun ihap ke kama mana po highway ko daman thickness yung kakama rupau 60 mm kam kini mencuba ke yule PR itu kudang man kama arpau itu menikah ketika aja dengan tim buat lembag ketika pencap ke dorok disrok jiwa emang pokok jabatan dia tambah wajib ketika yurti buat ketika working season kita mau buat banyak November 2 March yurti ba ye kapan dah.
With the opening up of the schools in Meghalaya and with an aim to help in the sanitization of schools, the Institute of Bioresources and Sustainable Development in Shillong, they distributed the Institute man-made surface disinfectant to St. Janta Secondary School located in Kualapatti area, Shillong, in the presence of the principal, Mrs. V. Shilla, and teachers of the school. It is worth mentioning that the school caters to the economically weaker section of the society through free education from nursery to class 7. The DBT IBSD, under the leadership of the Director IBSD, Professor Pulok K. Mukherjee, is actively participating in helping the society through the distribution of Institute man-made sanitizer, disinfectant and face masks to vegetable vendors, traffic police, taxi drivers, bank staff and school teachers to help in fighting the COVID-19 pandemic. In different parts of Northeast India, IBSD centers are actively participating and serving the society through such outreach activities during the COVID-19 scenario. In partial modification of the department's order number held 175/2020/9 dated 1st June 2020 and in continuation of order number held 175/2020/10 dated 6 June 2020, the following protocols post relaxation is notified for conduct of weddings in churches, temples, mosques and other places of worship during the COVID-19 pandemic. Let us now have a glimpse of the COVID-19 update for today. So viewers, that is all we have for you today. See you again tomorrow at the same time and the same channel. Thank you for joining us.